Hello. Oh, sorry. Hello, guys. So today, I'm gonna be playing with this. Now, you might think, what is this? This is binary waterfall. Now it's like, okay, what is it? It's an audio player for any file. So like, if I go to here, oh, sorry, and I go to my Mario game and I select this, it sounded out of sounds and bits and pieces. So look, get a listen to this. I'll turn down my volume because it can be loud. And yeah, it goes a long time, so I'm gonna skip. I skipped 2 seconds. Wait, what? What the? Wait, are you hearing that? I don't think you guys are, but let's go a little bit back. Like a bunch of mouse squeaking. Hold on. Ow. What? Wait. Okay, stop. Hello? Wait. Let's go back. What the heck? I did it. Oh! Whoa! What is that? I don't know what it is. What? Whoa! Okay, yeah, so that was an example, but yeah. So now you know that this is an audio player for anything. So maybe if I go back, I'll do this Paper Mario thing. Hold up, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. I had to do something, but okay. Okay. If I go to this one. I don't know why it's actually just like so long. Like all of these are just so long. Something that should just be short, maybe. Windows 8. If it can't do that. No, it cannot. It cannot do Windows 8. The ISO. Well, my Windows 8 ISO. But, you know what I mean. Hello? Okay. Oh, no, yes it can. It can do ISO. Okay, let's do something else, not a whole. Let's do Wheel Wizard. Hold up, guys. I'll be right back. Sorry, guys. I had to go do something once again. But yeah, this is a binary waterfall. I will put the download link in the bio so you guys can see what apps makes it do this. So yeah, if you guys want to see something else kind of like this, then comment down below, and bye.